Hello YouTube, this is Umino Aiko, and it's almost 1:30 in the morning, and I'm bored. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna go see Heshiro sleep in Mickey's bed, like a pervert. Guys are so disappointing. I'm like, really? Who sleeps in another girl's bed when dating some other chick? Okay. This is Mickey's room. She's a fanatic. There's Heshiro on the bed. I don't know if you can see him correctly because of the lighting. And I think he's wearing a pair of Mickey's cow pajamas. But that's just awkward. Anyway, let's see if it's dead. So, I think he's having teenage dreams again. And they're about Kira. Ooh, blackmail. Can't wait to tell her. And I can't wait to tell her that Kira snores, that he snores in his sleep. Oh. Cow pajamas. This is so interesting. I am gonna have so much blackmail material. Even Hikaru's gonna laugh her ass off. The lighting in this room really sucks. Mickey's got a couple of posters in her room. Some of them really girly, and then some of them not so much. And then we'll continue poking Heshiro. Poke the cow. Oh God, no! Why are you doing?